Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Tiffany Keller.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.
Tiffany is a fashion model, influencer, and social media sensation. She has an impressive following on various social media platforms.
You can do anything, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Tiffany was born on April 14, 1995, in the United States. She's 28 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Aries.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name.
She is about 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighs around 54 kilograms.
Everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, over where.
Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 34 inches.
Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. And we all got dreams, we all want things.
Tiffany has been a part of numerous premieres and exclusive events, including the fabulous Miami Swim Week.
We can do anything, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So, what are your thoughts on Tiffany? Isn't she absolutely stunning?
We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it?
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
We can do anything, but what you gonna do for it?